ready to turn your wildest dreams into mesmerizing moving pictures, all without leaving Discord. First, hop into the Midjourney Discord server. If you aren't a member, you will need to subscribe, navigate to one of the newbie channels, or better yet, create your own private server and invite the Midjourney bot for distraction-free creating. Now, the magic starts. Use the imagine command followed by a detailed prompt instead of just aiming for a static image. Think about scenes that could transition into each other. For example, imagine a majestic dragon soaring over a medieval castle. Cinematic lighting. 4K. Midjourney will give you 4 variations. Choose the one you like best, or upscale them all now. Here's the trick to video. Describe the scene that comes next. Think of it like storyboarding. Use the original image as a reference, making small changes in the prompt to simulate movement or progression. For instance, if you want the dragon to fly closer, try something like, imagine a majestic dragon soaring closer to a medieval castle. Cinematic lighting. For 1000, generate a few iterations of each frame of your video and upscale the best ones. Repeat this process, subtly altering your prompts to create a sequence. You're essentially building a flipbook of images. The key is consistency, is style and subject matter, changing only the action. Now, the only thing left to do is to save your images and piece them together in any video editing software of your choice. Import your sequence of frames, adjust the timing for each image to create the desired speed, and add music and sound effects. That's it. You've created a video using only Midjourney and a video editor. Experiment with different subjects, transitions, and prompt techniques to unlock even more creative possibilities. Happy creating!